Michelle here. I'm going to do a bloom. I think this is like an 18-inch round. This is my PPG White. That should be plenty. I have a festival coming up, and it's on the Gulf Coast, and of course they love the beach colors, so that is what I'm gonna do. So this is a bloom. I don't want a ton of negative space, so the paint puddles are going to be quite thick. That was TOP Lakeside. This is a Color Art Golden Sand. Very versatile color. And I actually am adding extra of that because it does seem to get lost sometimes. We have Color Art Tropical Splash. Not quite as much of that. And then TOP Lagoon, which I love. And I think I am going to add just a little more Lakeside up here. All right. My cell activator is Indigo. My activator is usually mixed about 40 grams of Australian Floetrol to 10 to 15 grams of paint, just depending on which brand it is. So my hair, I got paint, all this paint I got on my hair dryer. I got to get it unstuck. Hang on. All right, that's done. I see a gazillion bubbles. Pop them now. Okay. Now we're ready. Let's throw this out. I literally think the paint is cold. I'm just kind of evening things around because I do want to make sure I don't want a ton of negative space. So and I have this to where it won't spin a lot, which might be my problem right now. Let me get some of that off. I haven't been painting a lot because it is cold. And although I do have a vent here that gives me heating and AC, it's just been very chilly here. And I can see my paints are not moving like they normally do. I think I want to tilt this down some more. Yeah, that didn't work. Not seeing a lot of the golden sand. You probably can't see it at all on camera, but I can see bits of it through here against the white. Yeah, idiot. I'm just pulling color through. All right. Don't know why that is there, and I really don't like it. It's not really moving a whole lot. All right, I think I'm just gonna leave this. It's really, it was what I was looking for. There's some pretty cells that are multiple color. There are some lacing in here. There's some kind of wispy, airy thing. So I think I'm good with it. I like the way it looks. All right, I'll get you down for a close-up. All right. Here's the close-up view. This really is a good little color palette where you don't have a ton of colors. It gives kind of beachy vibes. I was trying to find that. Golden sand is mostly in the middle. There's a little bit on the edges, but not a lot. But I like it. It kind of gives the depth with the indigo and then the different shading, you know, depending on where you're at in the ocean. Get the different shades of blues and greens. Yeah, good lacing, good cells, good flow. Put some resin on this, and the sand, the golden sand will come out more. It's especially in this area. So it probably looks white on camera. Like there's some white right there, but then right up in here, oh, my fingers, is the golden sand. So anyhow, I hope you enjoyed the video. I cleaned up my spoons while I still had my gloves on and got all that. And this is my artwork profile that I just typed up in Word, and so I can capture what I do, because I will inevitably have someone, especially with coasters and Lazy Susan's table stools, they'll say, hey, can you do another one of these? And I'm like, yeah. But then I've got to remember what it was I did, so I find it so much easier to write it down. But so, yep, sure can, and away we go. So anyways, y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. Be safe and go mix it up. Bye now.